Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will learn how to make liquid starch. It is very easy to make. Friends, first I will show you the raw materials, then I will show you the practical video how to make liquid starch. Then after that I will tell you the quantities of raw materials used for making liquid starch. So friends, please watch my full video in order to understand it properly. So let's go. First, I am showing you the ingredients. See, this is cornstarch. See the texture, it is very fine in powder form and white in color, easily available in the grocery shops. See, this is plain water. You can take any water. Now, I am starting the video. First, I have taken cornstarch in a bowl. Then, I am adding enough water so that all the cornstarch dissolve in it. You can take 2 cups of water in 1 cup of cornstarch. Then mix it properly. No lumps should remain in it. Now take 6 cups of water and put it on the gas stove and start the flame. Then add cornstarch in it. Continue mixing. It is very important to mix properly, otherwise lumps will form. See friends, it is a time to switch off the flame. I have switched off the flame. After cooling, it will become more thick. See the result after cooling. Now I am showing you how to use it. For that, I have taken some water and adding a little quantity of starch in it. Now I am mixing it properly. Again, no lumps should remain in it. Now I am dipping this handkerchief in this liquid. Now I have kept it for drying. After drying, I will show you the result. See, after drying, it looks like this. See how I am opening in between the handkerchief. Now see the result, how stiff is the handkerchief. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Did you like my video? If you do, please press the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. Friends, and do subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So please press all button. Okay friends. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.